Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing my face and thing, so yeah. So let's see what we're gonna play today. I have a lot of games that are really fun. What should I play? I don't not know, cause I'm not a. Let's make the slime game. It's really fun. Slime meditator. This rainbow one's so cool. Can you guys hear it? Because it's really satisfying. Because she's really a rainbow. Muchy, water, sticky. I already have rainbow light. Oh my. Knew it, baby.
Clearly, I don't see myself upon that
I love Piper.
How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with
I just love Piper.
some superhero.
Piper is so famous.
Likey.
Piper, we love you. I don't care. Fine, we'll just do a rainbow. Let's see what we want to put in there. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, that matches so well. Mixed up the decorations. Mix up.
Boring.
See now, guys, play with us. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification. And make sure to like on every video so I become famous and I be on the ads.